Hi friends! In this video I'm going to show you how to use digital stickers in our pie planners. Here we have the matching sticker set already imported into GoodNotes, and on this other open document we have our planner. To get started, let's make sure our toolbar is open. In order to navigate through the planner's hyperlinks, you may have unselected the pen toolbar. Just click the icon to reselect the pen and your toolbar will reappear. One of the many great tools that you have access to with GoodNotes is the lasso tool. To use your stickers, select the lasso tool. Now, draw a circle anywhere on the sticker you would like to use. Click Copy. Now go to your planner, hold down on your page, and select Paste. You can adjust the size with the arrow in the corner and move it around from where it was pasted. If you wanted to delete the sticker, you can click the red X. Once your sticker is placed, if you want to move it or resize it, just make sure the lasso tool is selected, hold your pen down on the sticker until the options come up, hit Edit, and now you can move it around, resize it, or delete it. Whatever you need to do. This works on all stickers, even ones already inserted into your planner. Just draw a little circle, make sure your lasso tool is selected, draw a little circle, hit Copy, and paste. And you have another sticker. Now, I know space can be limited on your iPad, so if you would prefer to store the stickers on your cloud storage, you can easily insert them as individual images. First, make sure your cloud storage is browsable on your iPad by going to Files, select the three dots, Edit, and make sure that your preferred cloud storage is switched on. Now, back to GoodNotes. Here, you're going to go to the toolbar and select the Insert Image tool. This dialog box will pop up. Hit Insert From. Browse if you're not already in your preferred cloud storage, and your cloud storage select. In your Pie Stickers folder, there will be an individual PNG folder. From there, select any sticker you want to insert, and these will work just like any other sticker. And that's it! Now you know how to use digital stickers with your pie planner.